How to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. First, open the Snapchat application on your device and now make sure that you are logged into your account. So, tap on the Add Friends button at the top, and if you are going to search an account and add them, it is going to show them that you have added them by searching their name. So, if you want to avoid this, what you want to do is tap on the profile name. From here, tap on Send Profile To. Now at the search bar, you want to search for your own username because you want to send the profile to yourself. So go ahead and type in your username. Then you want to send it to yourself. Once you have sent the snap, go over to your chats and then open up the conversation. So now from here, you want to add the account. Once you have done that, the other person is going to receive the notification that says just added, and it's not going to show that you have added them by search. So to show you how it looks, I'm going to add my own account from my secondary account. So I have added it, and then I'm going to log into my account again. And over here, if I open the notification, it just says added and it does not say added by search. So there is no way to trick the system to say that the account has been added by quick add on Snapchat. So this is how you can add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button